rod, so I wanted to get one as well. And originally I was looking for a coupe actually, and after 4 or 5 months, you know, scouring Craigslist and whatever for sale places, could never find one. And then eventually I found this body in Green Bay, Wisconsin. The story goes that the original family owned the car, and their father just passed away, so the sons were about 70, and the father never let their kids drive the car. So the part of the deal was for sale. If you want to buy the car, you have to not tell dad what you're doing to the car, because I already told them that I was planning on chopping it and channeling it and, you know, that kind of thing. Yeah, it was shipped to me. I think it took a few days, maybe 4 or 5 days, and this was during winter, so it was snowing in Wisconsin. And when I got the car, it was just salty, and it was really bad because it was on the bottom deck of the trailer, just open car trailer. It was super bad, and so we looked inside of it and we were like, oh man, what did I get myself into? I came to Goodguys, I think it was a Nationals in 2018, and I saw a gold and black, similar to this, a gold and black sedan, and I wanted to do gold paint before I went there. I was looking through golds on paint books to try to find one, and after I saw him, it was kind of demotivating because I didn't want to do gold anymore. That guy's already there, and his car was really nice. So this is the roof panel we built. I got a sheet of steel, and I got a Harbor Freight bead roller, and I just ran beads through the panel to get those bead looks into it, and to wrap it around to the bottom part of it was in the original tarp. This detail is not here, so this is just a 1/2-inch rod that's welded through just to match that body line that goes all the way to the front here. Yeah, the motor was originally I had a 350 in it. 350 and a 350 trans. I bought it from a friend who said that it came from a friend's car, and it was a good running motor, nothing was wrong with it. I put a cam in that motor, new lifters, push rods, everything. It still had, at that time, it still had the 2 carbs and the tunnel ram, and it was not a good motor. It had, I think, maybe 10 oil pressure at like full throttle. I changed the oil a couple times, and it was super glittery. And it wasn't running well. It was a really bad motor, and it made it so basically for most of 2018 I couldn't drive the car. Well, the later half of 2018 I couldn't drive the car. By 2018 the car was pretty much complete, but it wouldn't drive very well. So recently, in the past 2 months, I got rid of that motor, and originally I have a friend who does machine work. And he said, yeah, I can machine your heads for you, I can help you, but I have no guarantees that it's gonna help anything. And he wanted, I think, $2,500 to do it. And I said, okay, I can buy a complete crate motor for, you know, not much more than that. So I went to Blueprint, and I have now the Blueprint 383 stroker in there with the same trans, but the motor now is really good and it runs solid. So yeah, the Blueprint engine is really good. I was surprised actually when it came in its big crate. I'm somebody that's kind of cautiously optimistic, I guess you would say. I try not to hype myself up for these kind of things, you know, like I think the people around me and like the rest of the peers and the people that were the contestants have some really beautiful cars, I think. And I think I went home last night, I was like, oh, it'd be cool to win, to go to SEMA, but I'm going to SEMA anyway, so I don't really care if the car goes or not, you know? But yeah, it's really exciting to, first of all, be in the top 3, and then going up there and hearing your name called, I kind of didn't react at first. I was kind of just shocked, and then I looked out the window and I saw the guy who was like, get out of the car, and I was, oh, that's me. My name is Zach Zadoo. This is my 31 Ford Model A, and I'm going to SEMA.